Hey everybody, welcome to Smart Working Way. Today, we're going to present the world of web marketing, giving you some tips for made a great job. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned till the end of the video. We wish you a good watching. Online marketing is many of the numerous phrases that are utilized to distinguish the act of advertising and marketing products or services on the internet, a part of the digital marketing. The online world and its many breakthroughs have supplied hundreds of thousands of human beings with the opportunity to earn cash from inside their very personal houses. This video takes a look at the significance of internet advertising for cutting-edge day organizations and the way you could apply it to earn a living, giving you a few digital marketing strategies. The primary advantage that the worldwide internet gives to both seasoned, in addition to budding business operators, is that it right away permits them to get via to endless parents from throughout the globe. When you have already got an idea which can earn you lots of money, you can use the net and additionally apply many special advertising and marketing techniques to unfold your sales message, in particular the use of social media strategy. Present advancements are going to make sure which you do not come across the same challenges that your predecessors had to manage. It would not take a genius to determine out that setting up your very personal employer in any field calls for a high-quality deal of labor, endurance, and motivation. Another plain point is that even current companies which might be only simply starting to have their very own online profile, have to be prepared to shell out a terrific deal of effort for this important undertaking. When you've positioned up your very own web-based commercial enterprise, you have to devote a big period of time to making a handful of key judgments and formulating a major course of motion collectively with multiple backup plans. The earliest decisions that you'll make with regards to your net commercial enterprise are the following: how much loose time you may allocate to ample marketing research, locate the proper market to pay attention to, the proper services and products to deliver to that area of interest marketplace. Sort several requirements and troubles, the way to fee your services and products in order that they are attractive on your capacity buyers, and the way you could tell quit users about what you are supplying. All of those are important to the financial success of your net commercial enterprise and cannot be regarded lightly. After you have positioned up your internet primarily based commercial enterprise, you can then take benefit of internet advertising and marketing to lead most of the people to your web page and generate sales that could sustain your enterprise. Digital marketing includes the usage of various media including notifications, banner ads, search engine optimization. In addition to keyword studies, those activities might all help draw in buyers, market your commercial enterprise and get humans to engage with you and your material. The trick is to purpose at the perfect audience, look at all in their tendencies, and don't forget the methods they may search for your products and services. Lists are created through the addition of an decide-in form on your house web page, which permits you to send out emails to give or potential customers. These notifications will offer your clients extra records concerning your internet enterprise and assist you to create operating dating with them. Moreover, while people get your notifications and also updates, they are granted the capability to determine in the event that they need or want your services or products, without having to go to your internet site and look for the information with the aid of themselves. Banner commercials on your enterprise are useful if positioned in premier areas, so make sure that you put them on websites that your consumers would certainly go to. Search engine optimization and keyword research are going to useful resource you in building your website, and placed it on web page 1 of search engine's results pages, leading to greater visitors and earnings. This final complete system creates inbound marketing. Our online world has created a quick-paced environment in which folks want so that you can do something they choose, on every occasion they need to carry it out. Digital marketing would advantage you and your home-based business and give you durability if you arrive on the right choices and also apply everything properly. Nowadays, being online is vital. Not being online means leaving pieces of the cake on the table, in terms of customers and sales of course. The web marketing, fortunately, has several strategies that aim to connect you with your potential customers, thus giving different opportunities for success. By now all the greatest entrepreneurs have understood the potential of online business. Digital marketing is an incredible weapon, able to make numbers that no other traditional tool would be able to do. Taking advantage of this, many companies have moved online, making digital marketing their backbone of the advertising plan. Most customers find it easier to find it online. After all, the media can provide us with all the data we need to hit the target audience. What are the basic processes for online success? The following are the main points. Create content marketing. Content is all the material you can provide to your audience. This can be written through articles at blog, exclusive images of your activity, for example, videos. All those elements that can bring visualizations and information can be understood as content. It is up to you to present them in the best possible way. Blog, for example, is very important if you have a lot of content. This is necessary to bring continuous information. Being constant is the key, and the more you are, the more your audience grows. It's proportional. Certainly, the content must be of quality. To keep in mind the use of videos that nowadays is a growing trend, we are talking about video blogs. Once you have created your blog and chosen the content, you must keep in mind the SEO, search engine optimization. This technique will make sure to index you on search engines and then be easily located by your target. To do this, you will need to search for keywords related to your niche and rely on them to build your content. How? Find out in the video we have prepared on SEO, in our channel. Web advertising, also known as paid campaigns, PPC, pay-per-click. This is the tool to reach your audience in the fastest and most accurate way possible, because by paying you can go to define your favorite customer and present the advertising as if it was a need he was looking for. You can use Google for a big campaign, Facebook to make a good Facebook ads, this could include Instagram channel, or also make the same campaign with Twitter marketing. Social media marketing. Once you've created a blog, brought online with the right techniques, and made paid campaigns, you have to bring your presence in social media. Facebook pages, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, where you think it's best to be. Here you'll have to relate and engage with your audience. You'll present yourself for them so that your popularity increases. Analytics. After all these processes, it will be important to keep track of traffic, to understand and improve your work. As you may have noticed, digital marketing is a perfect machine, capable of making your business fly if you learn how to do it. If you think web marketing is a piece of cake, something easy, now that we've introduced you to it, you can rethink it and take advantage of its potential. All this work can be delegated to professionals. Marketing agencies, ready to do this work for you. At some point you will have to make a decision depending on the project you are going to undertake. Of course, one thing we can say, that learning skills nowadays are invaluable, especially in this area, will remain for the whole future, or you could give this service to those in need by becoming a freelancer. We are here to help you to find the right direction in this big world with Diploma in Web Marketing. Now we will present this. With the knowledge of this diploma course, you will be able to get the best results on the web that can be expected. Description content, taking your marketing to the web, planning for web marketing, taking the first steps to your online presence, producing a successful business website, creating a marketing effective storefront, pulling repeat visitors with on-site marketing techniques, marketing with online buzz, the art of email marketing, staying ahead of the online marketing wave, mastering the secrets of search engines, marketing with pay-per-click ads, marketing with paid online advertising, capturing customers with new technology, and much more. Check the first link in description. Assessment. This course will be assessed based on one assignment. We believe doing practical assignments is the best way to assess the ability of the students, and also it is the best way to make them apply what they have learned into practice. Students can start their assignments from day one and complete the course as soon as they submit their assignment. In the first link in the description you will find the link to register for the course. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of Smart Working Way and much more. Thank you for watching.